The check the pitch of a screen. This implement is used, which is also called of the reed counter. The rope gauge is made up of a series of blades with different numbers of steps of straight pitch that are cut in each of the different blades. When it is required to know the pitch of the reeds per each of any screen, the different blades, even one match and sound the read at verified of what step corresponds. There are two types of the rope gauge. One, as the width seen correspond to the normalcy to the English system that quantify the numbers that reads in inch, and the SMD that calls the pitch between tooth and tooth. A spoke gauge is a combination tool used to measure or verify convex and concave radius profile. A typical spoke gauge is a small hand tool used to measure machine reading on light, engineering, and hobby applications. It generally consists of a set of separate insert or steel sheets, each with multiple counting or machine projection or its other edge. Designed to measure the radius or outbound in interior and exterior. Selection and reading unit millimeters and inches. An angle gauge is a tool used by forests to determine which trees to measure when using a variable radius plot designed in forest inventory. Using this tool, a forest can quickly measure the trees that are or of the pilot. An angle gauge is similar to a wedge prime stone. It must be held a fixed distance from the A to work properly. Unlike the wedge springs, which is held over the pilot center, the surveyor's eye is kept over plot center when using an angle gauge. The wedge type method was developed for flow measurements of fluids with low velocities, high viscosity, and suspended solids. For example, oil, asphalt, garage broth. This characteristic consists basically of a wedge inserted transversely against the flow, obstructing the passage of the fluid, increasing its speed, and generating a pressure difference. The wedge method is applied with differential pressure taps for diagrams scales, thus avoiding problems of fluid falling near the tap. Manufacture for various citations, its application is oriented towards lengths from a medium to 24 in diameter.